Hi guys, welcome back to
Cooking for Kids. Today we're going to be making flapjacks.
Preheat the oven to 180 degrees.
The ingredients you'll need today are oats,
Butter,
brown sugar,
golden syrup.
chocolate. First we're going to put our 85 grams of butter into a saucepan. Now we're going to put our butter onto the hob at a low heat.
Consistently stir your butter as it melts.
Now that the butter has melted, we're going to add in 115 grams of brown sugar.
Add 2 tablespoons of golden syrup. Now grease your tray.
We're now going to pour 170 grams of oats into the bowl.
Then add our butter, golden syrup and brown sugar mixture. Consistently mix your oats and your butter mix. After we've mixed it all together, we're going to pour our mixture into the baking tray.
Put your flapjacks into the oven for 15 minutes. Once you have taken your flapjacks out of the oven, if you like, you can sprinkle over some melted chocolate and then cut them into squares.
Thank you very much guys for watching another video today. The recipe will be below.
And make sure to give a quick click on the subscribe button and smash the like button. See you next